In December 2013, ESSEC announced its strategic partnership with Accenture in business analytics field. We introduced a chair in business analytics, and under that chair we have already launched a program which focuses on business analytics and decision sciences. So it was natural for us to extend that to Asia and introduce a master's program here as well. However, we decided to have a focus on consulting rather than pure decision sciences in Asia. This is partly because of an observation that more and more companies these days are asking for professionals who can understand the statistical and econometric side of the analytics and then translate that into something that managers can implement. Because of that, we decided to train students as consultants. The program will follow a standard structure. In the first month, we are going to offer preparatory courses. The objective is to level the playing field. So some of the students might come from non-managerial background. For them, we will offer courses in basics of marketing, finance, and operations. There will be students who would be coming from non-technical background, and for them we will offer courses in statistics, econometrics, and some programming. Then we will start our first trimester, which will have core courses, and they will be technical in nature. In our program, we have decided to balance the technical and the managerial aspects. So the managerial part is going to be about 67% of the course. That will start from the module 2, and there we will focus on the applications in marketing analytics, financial analytics, supply chain analytics, and similarly in other aspects of business. In the last trimester, students will have courses that will develop their soft skills, such as negotiation techniques and communication skills. We have kept the course load in the last trimester to a minimum because students will also have to do a mandatory field project, which is going to take much of their time during this period. The students who have optionally opted out to take the courses in France during the last trimester will have to complete their fieldwork after they come back from France. For these students, then the entire program duration will be slightly longer. The field project will entail working with the company on a real analytics project and help the company resolve the issues. We are training our students to be analytics consultants. So we expect that a lot of consulting companies such as Accenture, IBM, Capgemini Consulting, McKinsey would be interested in hiring these students. Apart from that, in the industry there are various applications in which our students can excel. Typically, demand comes from the industries which have a large amount of data and who want to use that data to generate managerial insights. For example, retail industry generates a lot of consumer data and wants to generate managerial insights from that. Similarly, financial services such as banks, insurance companies need to get insights for upscaling, cross-scaling, and similar business development aspects. We are looking for applicants who have very strong motivation to be in business analytics and consulting field. They can come from different backgrounds. They could come from technical backgrounds such as computer science, statistics, and other types of engineering, or non-technical backgrounds such as business management and economics. They can be young professionals or fresh graduates.